Hi, my name is Mariah. I am a STEM student, and in this video, I am going to teach you and help you how to find the limit of a exponential function. An exponential function is a function in which the exponent of the expression is a variable. It is of the form f of x is equal to bx, where b is equal to any real number such that b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1, and x is equal to any real number. Simply, b is the base and the x is the exponent. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano hanapin ang limit ng isang exponential function sa pinakamadaling paraan. You just have to know the summary of it. If b, or if the base is greater than 1 and the x approaches positive infinity, the answer will always be positive infinity. However, if the base is greater than 1 and the x approaches negative infinity, the answer will always be 0. Number 2. If 0 less than the base less than 1 and the x approaches positive infinity, the answer will always be 0. And if the base or 0 less than the base less than 1 and the x approaches negative infinity, the answer will always be positive infinity. If you don't know what is the meaning of this, it is simply 0.1 to 0.9. Next, let's answer and let's evaluate the limit of the following. The limit of 3x as x approaches positive infinity is equal to positive infinity. Paano naging positive infinity yan? Kanina sa summary, sinabi natin na kapag ang base ay mas malaki sa 1 at ang ina-approach ng x ay positive infinity, ang sagot ay palaging positive infinity. Number 2. The limit of 3x as x approaches negative infinity, the answer is 0. Why? Kasi sa summary kanina, if the base is greater than 1 and the x approaches negative infinity, the answer will always be 0. Next, the limit of 0.2x as x approaches positive infinity is equal to 0. Balikan lang natin yung summary para mas magets kung paano naging 0 ito. Next, the limit of 1/2 x as x approaches negative infinity, the answer will be positive infinity. And now, let's try this one. Please disregard this one because nasulat ko lang siya. The limit of 4x as x approaches 3, the answer will be like this. You just have to substitute the 3 into the x. Magiging 4 cube at ang sagot ay magiging 64 dahil tinimes mo ng 3 beses yung 4. And that's all for today. Now that you already know how to find the limit of an exponential function, you should try this one. Thank you so much for listening and for clicking this video.